Now, when we look at this, I kind of call it the butterfly family, and it consists of, the key component again is selling. We're going to be selling time, and volatility is a big part of these two strategies. So when we look at the butterfly, though, there's a lot of different variations. So we can do a butterfly with call. So we could do a call or put butterfly. We can do a variation, what we call a broken wing or skip strike butterfly using calls or puts. We could do what I call a ninja unbalanced or ratio butterfly, both using calls or puts. We can do the iron butterfly. We can do a broken wing ratio butterfly. We can do another cool trade. What we do a lot of times when we see it very selective is a lotto butterfly. And then we've got a whole nother category, hedging. So defending trades using the butterfly as a trading defense. And then we can use also the long condor. So with the long condor, then we can do ratio condors. We can do broken wing condors. So just a lot of different things that we can do, when we're using these spreads.